Government bonds can create guaranteed current income for every month for the rest of your life if you so wish. This is what I mean. Namaanisha hivi, unaweza invest in government bonds uwe ukipata mapato yako kila mwezi without fail for the rest of your life. The strategy is simple. It is called bond layering or bond laddering, such that every rung of the ladder inamaanisha different bonds. A bond, this is where government want to borrow money from the public, but it will do so through the Central Bank of Kenya. And I want to remind you, it is safe. It doesn't matter which government is in power. Nikiweleza hivyo wengine nasema serikali ya Kasongo itatuibia. This is safe. Lazima upate pesa yako at the end of maturity period. So if you are an investor and you are looking for a place to invest your money, mahali utakuwa ukipata mapato kila mwezi, then bond laddering should be your strategy. And this is how it happens. Bonds ordinarily government will issue mara moja kwa mwezi, every month once. However, you can buy bonds through primary market, that is through the central bank, ama through secondary market, that is through Nairobi Securities Exchange. Wale ambao wanataka kuuza zao huwa zinapatikana pale Nairobi Securities Exchange. Then, kwa sababu bonds huwa zinalipa semi-annually, that is mara mbili kwa mwaka. If you buy one in January, you expect at the end of June, pesa uko nazo. So if you invest in January, you invest tena in February, March, April, May, and June. Ni kumaanisha after June, July, every month uko na income, and you can mix these bonds. Ununue bonds are shorter maturity period. It could be 1 year, 2, 3, or 5. Also mix with long-term bonds, 20, 40, 20 or maximum period of 30 years that is available in Kenya. Such that, suppose you go 20, 40 years now, ukinua ya 30 years, you can be sure for the rest 30 years utakuki earn without fail every month. Suppose uko na 1 million. Usinunue bond moja peke yake yenye inaweza mature tu after 5 years or after 3 years alafu unarudi soko tena. Gawanya that amount. Nunua bond January, February, March, April and May. Then mix also. Don't just buy coupon rates bonds. Mix, look for infrastructure bonds. Na huwa zina happen 3 times in a year. So unaweza jipanga nazo. Ukuwe na hizi za kawaida 3. Ikuwe na infrastructure bonds ambazo they are very competitive because they are tax free. Haulipi any tax. Hizi zingine unaweza lipa tax. So unaweza, yes, they are taxable between 10 and 15%. Rates right now it's around 12 and 14%. So to guarantee yourself monthly income for the rest of your life, nani guaranteed, go for government bonds. And not just that, employ that strategy. It's called bonds laddering or bond layering. But if you want to understand more about how to do this, reach out to Mwatha Njoroge of Daring Achievers Network. Ama grab hiki kitabu only for 300 shillings. You will learn everything that you need to learn about making money on a monthly basis. Mwah! Hii utaelewa. But vile naona unaniangalia ina maana like to suggest hii huwezi elewa.